welcome back to the channel. I'm Nattie. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. In today's video, we're going to do some bedroom update. I think it's time for me to refresh the owner suite. I went to my favorite place, of course, Prescription Hardware, because I got some things, and I like what I saw. I haven't yet made any purchases, but what Jib and I decided to do is just take out the things that we don't like, and then from there we can start replacing the things you replace. And from that point, we can start buying things that we do enjoy. But for today, I'm gonna make the bed up. I'm gonna put out some new pillows. Remember I told you guys that it's okay to take pillow from somewhere and use somewhere else. So these pillows I had in my living room at one point, I'm gonna use them today on the bed. Let's get into the video. These brown strap pillows I got from the Crate and Barrel outlet, and I have these kind of boucle textured one. I think this one is from our house, and this one is from, I think this one is from our house as well. So you can see it's a lot of brown, but that's what I have right now, and I don't mind the brown right now. But what we want to do is to change the duvet. I saw one at a Crate and Barrel. I'm going to pop up a picture somewhere. It's like it's floral, but it's the base of the bedding is cream. It has like this really big black floral, not floral, big black flowers on it, but it's really, really pretty. But for right now, I'm going to do this. And yeah, so that's what I'm telling you guys. Make sure you buy things that you can use in different ways. And this is also a pillow cover. I didn't get into it from Crate and Barrel. Voila! Just like that, my bed is made. I'm gonna pick up some stuff I have on the floor, and then I'm going to show you like a full scan of what it looks like.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Here's a quick overview of the owner suite. I'm going to share with you some things that I'm loving and some things that's going to change over time, right? So let's start with this wall. Loving the mirror, because this is a very, very long wall, and I feel like this mirror, the size and all the details of the mirror works by itself. And I love that it gives a reflection of the bed itself, but also it gives a reflection of our sitting area that's also part of this bedroom. So this works for me. So when I talk about having like a nice mirror, I'm talking about something with this size and the detail that can stand alone by itself, right? Because it's amazing. And I'm thinking about getting another one. Okay, let's go towards the bed. So these ottomans are gonna go. I was just testing out to see if I like the I'm looking for a bench. I don't know if I want the bench with legs or I want the bench flat like this. I think I like it like this because the bed by itself already have legs, and I'm trying to just cover the entire thing with just one long thing. So I think I'm gonna get a long bench like this, or two benches together, because the king size bed is hard to find a bench like that. Okay, the bed, JB loved the bedding. I just feel like I want just a little bit of pop to it. So I'm gonna get a new blanket. This is an old blanket. This is gonna go, and I want to get an artwork over the bed to minimize, just a solid thing, just to minimize so much movement. I'm on the hunt for a chandelier to change this. I don't want something a bit more grand to make it pop. I'm gonna do the drapery. I'm thinking something a little bit darker, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, tell me below what I should do. Should I stick with the lighter color or stick with these or go dark? I'm not sure. Not sure. You guys know this is chase we got from a vintage store, which we do love. It breaks up all the little modern pieces we have in the space, so we do love this. So I'm gonna let it stay right here. I'm gonna let this table stay because we just like how this kind of vintage one pair with this. We love that. Since I've been in this house, I've never styled these nightstands. I don't know why. I feel very I don't know if I'm intimidated by it or I don't like them. I'm not quite sure, but they need to be styled. Let me know what I should do. I think I should change them and get something darker. Maybe that's why. I don't know. This is staying. Love this look right here. I told you guys about getting the TV art from YouTube. Love this. I just got to put something else in the middle. And yeah. And of course the dresser is from Restoration Hardware. We got it from the outlet. And love the TV artwork on it. Yep, that's it. And of course, I told you guys we got a quote to pick up the carpet. Girl, prayed my strength because I don't know. This is our little sitting area within our bedroom, as I mentioned before. And you guys know I got these two pieces from the Crate and Barrel outlet. Two of them together for less than $500. And we kind of put it together to create this big little lounge space for JB and I. And of course, Jackson. And then we have this console right here that we got from our house, and all the pieces on top just came from the thrift store or from Home Goods and Home Sense, the regular things. We're going to take out these drapery and get new drapery. I just decided just now to put this, have these flank, these two lamps. They're two different sizes, but I like how it looks. And then I'm going to do some artwork on the wall. And I'm thinking about putting like a little mini fridge up here. Is that weird? I hope not. It's just like we love to drink water and have just little stuff in here because we know it's a chill zone. So it'd be nice to have like a little station right here. Not quite sure. Tell me how y'all feel about this. So I mentioned in a previous video that I love to layer mirrors and stuff like that. So I try to tell myself this is my version of like having like a full-size mirror in here. I don't know if it looks tacky or not. But for right now, it's gonna stay. It might stay until I find a nice little cabinet thing to put right here, but that's how we have that. And when I tell you I'm obsessed with mirror, I'm obsessed with it. Here you go. There you go. That's a problem. But I love the reflection of what it does to see something, but I just love it. I love it. So yeah. Alrighty, so that's the little update that we've done in the owner suite. Nothing really new change. And I'm also going to change out the plugs and all these things that's white. I want to do like a silver or a brass change. So I'm working and getting all the matching stuff together and then have an electrician come in and change them out. I'm going to also put dimmer on this so we can control those and make them a little bit more moodier. But yeah, that's it. I've never done anything like, I don't think I've done anything like this where I give like a tour and then details of where stuff came from. The bed came from TJ Maxx years ago, or a mattress is Stearns & Foster. And yeah, I think that's all I missed. This light came from Home Sense. The artwork came from Home Sense. The art light came from, I think it's Amazon. But all these things we've had for years. For years. Okay? Alrighty. Let's go make some juice. Thanks, guys. So now it's time to make some juice. And so I'm gonna do carrot, ginger, apple, orange. Yeah, that's it. And this is the NutriBullet. But I don't like this juicer though, because after like a few fruits go in here. You gotta put, you know, kind of pull that apart and do all that stuff. And I'm gonna use my bottles that I show you guys that I got from TJ Maxx. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna be all aesthetic with this juicing, right? Okay. So this come with this. Put this here. Hold on, let me turn the TV down. Hold on. Another thing I don't like with this thing is like after I juice it, then I still have to strain it because it's not like smooth. It's another process, so gotta do that too. I'm gonna start off with some carrots. So this is what I've gotten so far. I want to kind of get a feel of what it tastes like to see if I'm gonna like it. But I don't know. I bet. Ooh, the color is pretty. That's a pretty color, right? Let's see how it tastes. Let's see. It's missing something. It's missing something. And this one is pretty smooth. So I feel like I don't need to strain it. It's very smooth. I think I might need to put some more apple in it to get it a little bit sweeter. And maybe also want to get a little bit cool. It might taste better. But it's not bad though. It's not bad. Let's add some more apples and see. Oh, and ginger. Let's see. All right, let's see now if this tastes a little bit better. I think the bitterness is coming from the skin of the orange. That's what it is, and that's on me. But either way, we're gonna drink it. But as I mentioned, it's very smooth. There's no grain or nothing, so I don't have to do the straining. So let's put them in the bottle. I'm really trying to do better. So when I'm off, my goal is not to go to Starbucks in the morning and I get the mango dragon fruit refresher from Starbucks literally every morning. And I'm trying to cut back, not necessarily not go at all, but just cut back to maybe just on the weekends I go. So, and I love things to look pretty for me to enjoy. So there's my orange drink. I'm gonna repeat the same things, get these filled up. If I have extra, I will put them in this container. In this, I'm putting in the refrigerator. I'm pretty sure next weekend I'm going to do beets. If you guys have any suggestion for different juicing, let me know. Because I'm going to do a detox before I go to Paris. Because honey, ain't no limitations on them over there when I get on that plane. None. When I go on vacation, ain't no diet restriction. We're just going to eat. So I'm trying to get ready for that. Right? So I'm just going to repeat the same thing back again, and That's all I got, honey bunny. So, do you see this?
No problem. Got it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Watch it.
Yeah. Oh, we did it. I'm hot. I am hot. Hold up. Let's look. Jeez. I spent maybe an hour here. Jeez, I'm hot. I got 2 palms and I got like a combination, what's it called? A combination plant. So they're already created for you and you just pick it up and get it. So yeah, all 3 items with military discount was like $130 something. You can set up like a membership. So JB and I decided we're gonna come back maybe next week and get some more plants. Cause something I do stuff in phases, honey. Cause them plants expensive. The goal is to maintain the palm. Let me charge this thing here. Give me the charge. Hold on. The goal is to I had to charge a camera. The goal is to maintain the palm year out. So in the summertime outside, in the wintertime, thank you. In the wintertime, bring it in. My neighbors put theirs in their garage. I think it's a great idea instead of keep on buying the same thing over and over and just buy the animals, you know, when you want to. But yeah, I love it. It is so beautiful. I would definitely recommend you guys find like a local nursery in your neighborhood, in your community. Just do something different, you know, and not go to the big box store. And you also supporting a local business and small business. As I'm driving here, they have like pavers and boulders. So good. I had an amazing time. Now I'm gonna get something to eat and go to TJ Maxx, and I have to go to the bank. So see y'all later. Bye.